Are you a Linux user but also love the HoYoVerse games like Genshin Impact, Zenless Zone Zero, Honkai Starrail, and the rest? Well, you might have heard that it's difficult to install that game in Linux, but I'm here to show you it's not that tough. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Firstly, to install the HoYoPlay Launcher, you need to use Lutris by going into the app menu, typing in Lutris and hitting enter. From the Lutris window, you want to go to the top left and click on the plus sign. Then select Search the Lutris website for installers. Now, type in HoYoPlay and hit enter. Click on HoYoPlay from the search results. From this screen, all you have to do is click install. On this screen, you can select different options like the path and creating desktop shortcuts and application menu shortcuts. I'm going to create an application menu shortcut because I like to be able to access it easily without having to launch Lutris every time, so I'm going to check this box. Now, if you want to change the location of the game, if you're on a different partition or whatnot, you can do that. I'm just going to use the default directory and hit continue. Once I do that, it's going to download the necessary files for the installation, depending on your internet connection speed. This may take a moment or two. Once that's done, all you have to do is review everything. It's going to say what you're doing and that you're downloading it. And then once you're ready, click on install. Once you click install, it's going to download some more, and then it's going to start Wineup and run the scripts. Depending on your internet connection speed once again, and also your computer, this may take longer for some people than others. But once it's done, the launcher will open. Let's give it a moment here. Once the launcher opens, check the boxes to agree to their terms of service and whatnot, and then click Quick Installation. Then, all you gotta do is click Finish and Launch. It's going to load the launcher once more, and you're going to need to click Update Now from here. Again, it's going to download some more and do an update to the launcher. This may take a little bit, depending on your connection again. Now that the launcher is up and running, check these boxes to agree once more to their evil terms of service and whatnot. And accept. Now, you're going to want to actually close the launcher to complete the installation process by clicking the X in the top right, or by Alt F4ing, or wherever the close button happens to be in your desktop environment. From here, you could minimize to tray when you close it. I prefer to close and exit HoYoPlay, but if you choose to minimize it to tray, you're going to need to manually go to the tray, right-click on it, and hit the close button there to complete the installation. So I'm going to check close and exit HoYoPlay and click OK, and the installation script finishes. Now just hit close and click on HoYoPlay from the Lutris library and click play. And now the launcher will launch. You can select from the various games that you might want to install. I'm going to install Zenless Zone Zero as a demo, and also because I quite like this game. From there, go to the bottom right, click on Get Game, then uncheck Create Desktop Shortcut. If you don't like clutter, that is. And I noticed that it put a desktop icon up there, so I'm going to get rid of that just by deleting it off my desktop. No worries. And once that's done, and once you're good with the installation path there, click on Start Installation. Now, this is where we have to play a little bit of the waiting game. It's going to take a little while to download, and then it's going to verify all of the files. So I'm going to cut this part and come back when the installation is finished. Now that the installation's finished, you're good to go. All you need to do now is click on Start Game. And in just a moment, the game will launch. There you go. Get past the warning here. Yay, it's Zenless Zone Zero. And from here, all you gotta do is log in, and you're good to go. And that's all there is to it. All you gotta do for the other games is simply repeat the same process we did here, and you'd be good to go. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to share it with all your friends, and happy gaming.